Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these earbuds with 10 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these earbuds with your mobile phone. So first of all, you have to open the case by just sliding it like this. Now what you have to do, you have to turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. So I will just slide it down and I will turn on this Bluetooth. Now the next thing is you have to open Play Store. Okay, and in the Play Store you have to download an app. Name of the app is Soundcore. So I will write here Soundcore. So this is the app, you just search it. Okay, and here is the Soundcore app by Anker. So you have to install it. It will take just a few seconds for the installation. So our app has been installed. Okay, so now I will open it. Now what you have to do, you have to agree and continue these terms of use and privacy policy. So I will agree and continue. Now in the next step, if you have the Anker ID, you can just sign in. If you don't have, you can create by just signing up from here. So what I will do, I will just enter my ID. After signing in, you will see this page. So here you see this option of next, just select it. Once you select it, again you just select this next option, and then I got it. Okay, now here you see this option of add device. Just select it. Once you select it, here you have to select this allow. Okay, and then it start searching for this Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, and now here you can see it is showing you the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. So you just select it. Once you select it, it will ask you if you want to pair. So yes, we want to pair it, so we just select this pair option. So now here you will see it is showing you some information. So you just scroll it like this, okay, and then scroll again, and then next, and then next. So here you just select this, got it. Okay, so now here you can see your Liberty 3 Pro is now connected with your phone, and it is also showing you the battery percentage for both of the earbuds, and it is also showing you the battery percentage of the charging case. Now here it is showing you more information. If you just go back, so here you can see it is showing you Liberty 3 Pro is now connected. The next tip is about touch controls. So the first thing is, if you want to play or pause your music or your video, you have to tap at the back side only one time. So for example, I have this video, and if I want to play it, I will just tap it like this, and then it will start playing the video. Now if I want to pause this video, again I have to tap it on the back side. So I will just tap it like this, and here you can see my video is now paused. So you can do it at the back side of any of these earbuds. So here you can see, if I want to play, I will just tap one time. If I just pause, I will just tap one time. The next tip is about switching to next track. So at your left earbud, so this is the left earbud, you have to tap 2 times at the back side. So for example, currently I am playing this video. Now I want to play the next video. I will just double tap like this. Okay, and here you can see it will play the next video. The next tip is about switching from noise cancellation mode to transparency mode. So if you just press and hold at the back side of your earbud, it will switch to transparency mode. So if I just press and hold it like this for 2 seconds, so here you can see now it switched to transparency mode. Now if I want to go back to the noise cancellation, so I just press and hold it again 2 times like this, and it will go back to the noise cancellation mode. So you can do it at the back side of any of these earbuds. The next tip is about answering and finishing the call. So for example, I will call on this number. Now if I want to answer the call, I will just double tap on my earbud. So now here I have this call, I will just double tap it like this, and here you can see the call is now answered. Now if I want to finish this call, again I will just double tap it like this, and here you can see the call is now ended. The next tip is about customization of these touch controls. So you can customize these touch controls according to your needs. First of all, you have to go inside this Soundcore app. Once you enter inside the Soundcore app, just select this Liberty 3 Pro. Once you select it, you have to scroll down, and here you see this option of controls. So here you just select this controls option. So here you have all different options. The first thing over here is about single tap. Okay, so if you don't want it, you can turn it off, but I want it, so I turn it on. Now here you can see here it's written left and right. So for left, I select play and pause. So if I single tap, so it will play and pause. For the right, I also select play and pause. But if you want to change it, you just select this arrow. So once you select this arrow, you have a lot of other options available. You can set it to volume minus, volume plus for the next track, previous track, voice assistant or ambient sound. So you can select it to any setting that you want. For example, I select to volume plus. Now I will go back, and then for the right earbud single tap, now it is set to play and pause. You can also change it. Now if I go back, the next thing over here on top is double tap. So I just select it. Once you select it, here again you can set it to anything. So here you just select this arrow. So if you want the double tap for the volume, for the play and pause, ambient sound, so you can select any of these options, but I set it for the next track. And then I go back, and then we have this right. So right double tap, I set to previous track. Now if I just go, the next option is hold 2 seconds. So for hold 2 seconds, I set it to ambient sound. So you can switch it to noise cancellation and transparency. So here I can set both left and right for ambient sound, but if you want, you can also change it. Just select this arrow, and here we have a lot of other options available. Then if you just swipe it like this, we have another option, tap 3 times. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see this option. I set it to volume minus and volume plus. So if you want to change it, you can also change it from here. The next tip is about noise cancellation and transparency mode customization. So you have to go inside your Soundcore app. Once you enter inside Soundcore app, just select Liberty 3 Pro, and here you have 3 different options. The first one is noise cancellation. So now if you just select this arrow, so here you can do your Hear ID ANC test. So this can help you adopt the noise cancelling to fit your unique ears and hearing. So you can just select it like this, and then you can start this ear canal test. Okay, the next thing is, if you don't want this noise cancellation option, you can go to the transparency mode. Inside the transparency mode, if you select this arrow, we have 2 different options. The first one is fully transparent, the second one is vocal mode. So you can just select it according to your needs. The next tip is about sound effects. So there are a lot of sound effects option available. First of all, you have to go inside your Soundcore app, then select Liberty 3 Pro, and then here you see this option of sound effects. Just select it. So here we have the first option is about Hear ID sound. You can just select it, and then you can also test it. The next thing is 3D surround sound. So you can also select 3D surround sound option. Then we have this default sound effect option, but inside this default, if you just select this arrow, we have a lot of other options available. So we have this jazz, lounge, pop, Latin, piano, R&B, rock. So a lot of options available in this default mode. If you just go back, then we have this professional. If you just select it and then select this arrow, so inside professional, we have a lot of options available designed by Grammy winning producers. So here you can see with their name. So there are different options available here. If you go back, then we have this custom, and inside this custom, if you select this arrow, you can customize it yourself. So here you can see you can change it. So you can custom EQ. Okay, so here you can see I can easily change it according to my needs. And then if you want, you can set different custom option. If you just select this plus, it will create a new one, and then press done. So here I can select a new custom EQ. So here you can see this is how you can customize your sound effects. The next tip is about wearing detection option. So for example, if I remove my earbuds, so I remove this earbud, so it will automatically pause your video, or if you are playing some kind of audio, it will automatically pause. Now how to enable this setting? So first of all, you have to go inside your Soundcore app and then go inside Liberty 3 Pro, and then just scroll down, and at the last you see this option of more settings. So just select it. Once you select this more settings option, here you see this option of wearing detection. So if it is disabled, you can enable it. Now whenever you remove your earbuds, it will automatically pause the video or pause the audio. The next tip is about auto power off. So if I don't use my earbuds for 30 minutes, they will automatically turn off. So this will be really helpful in saving the battery life. So how to enable this option? Just go inside your Soundcore app. Once you enter inside Soundcore app, select Liberty 3 Pro, and then you have to scroll down, and here you see this option of more settings. Just select it. Once you select this more settings option, here you see this option of auto power off. So currently it is set to 30 minutes, but you can customize it. Just select this arrow, and then here you have different option. You can set it to 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes, or you can select never power off. But if you want to save your battery life, and if you are not using your earbuds, you can set it to 30 minutes. If you want to enable high resolution audio for these earbuds, you can also do it through the Soundcore app. So just go inside the Soundcore app and then select this Liberty 3 Pro, and then you have to scroll down, and here you see this option of sound mode. Just select it. Once you select it, here you have two different options. The first one is preferred audio quality LDAC, which is high resolution audio, or the second option is combined audio and connection quality. So if you want the high resolution audio, so you can just select it like this from here, and then it will ask you to turn it on. You just select turn on, and it will take 10 seconds for switching to preferred audio quality LDAC. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.